Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to verify your X account. Verifying your account on X not only enhances your credibility but also unlocks additional features available to X Premium subscribers. First of all, launch open X application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From here, select Premium. Now, scroll to Premium or Premium Plus. Make sure to choose one of these from Premium to Premium Plus and then click on the starting button at the bottom. Follow through the instruction and select whether you'd like to subscribe for annual premium plan or monthly premium plan and click on subscribe and pay. If you haven't, you'll need to enter your payment details and confirm. And right after subscribing to Premium or Premium Plus, you'll get a blue check mark or verify your X account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.